it's supposed to feel.
I'm your resident salty ass Fujo Green Tea Gal, and I'll be reacting to Chainsaw Man. I have a bad feeling about this. Now, I did read the first chapter of this, and I remember he was a very depressing character at the beginning. I'm glad I stopped there. Oh, you got ripped off. I mean, he realizes this is not a sustainable business model, right? He's the epitome of, please Lord, don't let me have no regular job. I hate it. Wait, are there actually angels in this? I mean, they're devils, that makes sense. Just casually polishing his balls. Well, the opening's kind of boppy. I like it. Yeah, now I see why people compared him to Yuji. He's kind of a goofball. The struggle's real. I guess it beats tricking. Only slightly, though. It's not dinner, is it? I like how even the colors of this world are just a little bit bleak. He's eating plain bread? Jesus, at least toast the thing first. Again, he has no electricity. Not unworthy aspiration. It's gonna be that kind of show. Wait, so is this thing just a Pokemon? You know, with the chainsaw on his face, it's more like a Digimon. Imagine if Pokemon was like this. This is like the first episode with Ash and Pikachu. It'd be a very different show. Denji's a simple man. I don't suppose he has health insurance. What heart disease does that? Sucks. He can't even afford to dream. Kind of a weird way to show it. Why? What the hell? I know this is a weird time to notice this, but the animation's really good. I mean, good on him to be able to run with that kind of wound. Oh, this is a deal life is giving him. I'm not sure if it's better or worse that they stab him instead of biting him like zombies do. Ugh, it was unsavoring. Hey, they really killed him.
Look how they massacred my boy.
I mean, I know he's in the opening credits, so clearly he bounces back from this somehow. It's a shame he can't just be a lumberjack. Seems way less strenuous. I don't know how he packed on all that muscle with the nothing he eats. What's a normal death for a devil, though? Or a normal life, for that matter? Can they have normal lives? I did not know this thing could talk. Aw, ship confirmed. It still has to hurt though.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
He did not die when he was killed. I mean, I know I've seen it, but that's still so gnarly looking. Oh, this is amazingly gory. I do not even feel bad for that dude. And again, he has chainsaws for arms. I don't know what I was expecting. Keep on. Well, I was having lunch. I guess I could stop now. I can't really say I enjoy gore, but I like that the show has the intensity and the conviction to just kind of go with it. If that makes any sense. It's a hell of a way to absolve a loan. Yes, live debt-free by just murdering everyone who you owe. I did not figure him for Gabe was my hug guy. Is that how he turns back? Just get hug? That's so nice.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
Keep. The other one wasn't even an option. Why even say that?
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗って、サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Breakfast, the utmost luxury. Well, I'm appreciating the little things in life, aren't you? Okay, that was a lot.
A lot.
It's good though. I'm guessing it'll never be as bleak as that first episode. I'm really hoping that's the case. Not that I can't watch bleak things, but I was just in the mood for something a little peppy, you know? I just went on a certain anime website and there's already 820 comments. A long night of reading ahead of me. I like that I actually have no idea where this show is going, but out of my way not to read any of the manga. But yeah, I think it's something I'll enjoy. Denji's giving me some serious bottom vibes. We'll see how that pans out. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. That was episode 1 of Chainsaw Man. Alright, tune in next week for episode 2. Thanks for watching.